Hello viewers, warm welcome in this YouTube channel. This is question from icse board exam 2024 class 10. A door lock is opened by turning the lever of length 0.2 meter. So this is the door which is opened by a length is given 0.2 meter. This is R and a force is applied on this, that it is F. So R is given to its here 0.2 meter, okay, and the momentum of force tau is given to us 1 Newton into meter, and force is required here. So you know that tau equal to R cross F, and it is given to us 1 Newton into meter equal to 0.2 into F. So 1 upon 0.2 Newton into meter upon meter equal to force, and this meter cancel. We multiplied both numerator and denominator by 10, so this becomes 10 upon 2 Newton F, and F is equal to 2 5 the 10. So 5 Newton is the minimum force required to open the door. So answer of this question is A, 5 Newton. I hope you got it. Please like the video, subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.